Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. In this video, I will show you how to use independent reserve to buy and sell cryptos so that you can whack big. Definitely not financial advice, yeah. I will tell you how to sign up, find your account, buy crypto. Then, if you don't have diamond hands, I will tell you how to sell cryptos and withdraw the money back into your bank account. Finally, I will give you some tips and tricks on using independent reserve. So, let's not waste any time and let's start right now. Okay, if you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up first. Obviously, if your friend has a referral link, you can just use their link to sign up. Otherwise, you can just use my link down in the description below. After signing up, you will need to do some verification, like verify your email and verify your identity. So just quickly do that first. Okay, now that your account is fully verified, let's go buy some cryptos. But hold up, you will need to find your account with some money. So let's do that first. In independent reserve, go to accounts. If you see here, my account value is in Australian dollars. Hello mate, but if you want to change to HUD, can, no problem. At the top left, click on Australian dollars, then choose HUD or whichever currency you prefer. Okay, it's in HUD now. Next, you will need to add your bank account. So click on add, click HUD bank account. Next, choose the bank that you want to transfer from. Mine is DBS, so I will choose DBS. Enter your account number and your full name. For beneficiary address, it's your residential address according to your bank's records. Once you are done, click save. Next, look for HUD, then click deposit. There's a few things to take note. First, there will be a $250 fee if you deposit lesser than $1,000. So always deposit $1,000 or more, yeah? Second, the deposits must be made from an account with your name, yeah? Otherwise, you will have a bad time. Okay, let's go to the bank to transfer some money. As you can see, I'm in DBS now. Mouse over transfer. Because their bank is DBS Bank, I will just add a new DBS or POSB recipient. For recipient's name, head over, copy independent reserve, head back, paste it in. For account number, head over, copy the account number, head back, paste it in. Click next, then submit. Okay, mouse over transfer again. Click to other DBS or POSB account. For recipient account, choose independent reserve. Choose your account, then how much you want to transfer over. Make sure it's at least $1,000, otherwise they will have this $2.50 fee, yeah. Click next, make sure everything is alright, then submit. Okay, the money will arrive within a few minutes. Once it has arrived, you will receive an email telling you that it has arrived, yeah? Alright, let's buy some cryptos. Okay, there's actually two ways to buy cryptos in independent reserve. You can buy through buy, sell or trade. I'll just show you both ways. At the buy sell tab, you can see all the available cryptos. You can just click buy to buy and sell to sell. Duh. I'll just show you how to buy BTC. Enter how much HUD you want to use. If you want to YOLO everything, just click use all available funds, then buy BTC. So that's the first method. For the second method, go to trade. Here, you have more control. Okay, I'll explain the stuff here. See here, it says BTC, HUD. But if you want to change to other cryptos, at the top, just click on BTC, then choose the crypto that you want to buy. I'll just try ADA instead. Then there are two order types here, market order and limit order. For market order, you cannot choose what price you want to buy at. You will just buy at the best market price. In this case, it will be 171, yeah? But if you want to choose your buying price, you can use limit order. Take note that this order book only updates every 15 seconds, which is very slow. So if you want to update it, you can just click refresh. Okay, let's buy some ADA. I'll just choose market order, but you can use whichever method you prefer. Take note that the fee is 0.5%, yeah? Click preview buy order, check everything is alright, then click place buy order. If your order has been filled, congrats! Now you are a proud owner of Cardano. If you want to look at your crypto, go to account, scroll down. There, you can see that I have some Cardano now. Okay, selling is exactly the same, but you just click sell. Remember, it's sell. Don't blah blah, go click buy. Enter how much crypto you want to sell, preview sell order, then confirm. And tada! You have successfully sold your crypto. So simple. Okay, finally, I'll quickly show you how to withdraw your HUD back to your bank account. Under accounts, look for HUD, then withdraw. Enter how much you want to withdraw, choose your bank account. Take note that whenever you withdraw, there's a $1.50 fee. So don't happy withdraw every day, yeah? Click withdraw, do all the validations, then confirm. The money should arrive to your account within a few minutes. So that was a super quick tutorial on how to use independent reserve to buy and sell your cryptos. Yes, it's a bit tedious, but it will make sure that your funds are safe, yeah? Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.